Here I am on the 12th of April, and I have made some progress with the jigsaw puzzle, though it is very slow. And Coralie came yesterday and put in two pieces that I had looked for quite extensively and hadn't found, so that was good. And we've almost joined it. I need one more piece to get a complete line from the bottom to the top. But the pieces are very much similar. So I have a way to go just to get to the 2000 point. My husband bought me a U-Brute lamp, which is a big assistance so that I can see more clearly. That's about it for today.